Thinking about diving into the fast-paced world of day trading with Etoro, but wondering if it's the right platform for your strategy? Let's break it down. First, let's talk assets. Etoro offers a wide variety, including stocks, crypto, forex, and commodities. A diverse selection is key for day traders looking to capitalize on short-term market movements. Use the search bar to find exactly what you want to trade. Next up, fees. Etoro is known for commission-free stock trading, but always check the spreads, which can fluctuate. Also be aware of overnight fees, especially if you accidentally hold a position longer than intended. Now, the tools. Etoro provides charting tools and technical indicators, essential for analyzing price movements and identifying potential entry and exit points. Look for tools like moving averages, RSI, and Fibonacci retracements. One unique feature is CopyTrader. While not directly for day trading, it lets you observe and learn from other traders. However, always do your own research and never blindly copy anyone. Mobile trading is crucial for day traders. Etoro's app allows you to monitor your positions and execute trades on the go, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Finally, remember, day trading is risky. Etoro offers a platform, but your success depends on your strategy, risk management, and market knowledge. So, is Etoro good for day trading? It has potential, but proceed with caution and a well-thought-out plan.